Dear students, a very warm welcome to the Arabic learning class. In this lesson, you will learn 10 more imperfect verbs in Arabic for the second person singular number, masculine and feminine both. Before we start this lesson, I would like to draw your attention that you have already learnt almost entire basic necessary grammars needed to form all types of nominal sentences and different types of verbal sentences using perfect verbs and some imperfect verbs. In nominal sentences, you have learned the demonstrative pronouns, the personal pronouns, the interrogative particles, and the personal suffixes completely. You have learned the entire forms of singular, dual, and plural nouns and pronouns. And in verbal sentences, you have learned the perfect verbs, that is al-fi'l al-madi in Arabic. You have learned the usage of perfect verbs in your sentences. You have learned the 10 imperfect verbs with meanings. You have learned the usage of some imperfect verbs in your sentences also. If you have any confusion, please go back to the lessons where these things have been taught in details. So far, you have learnt more than 350 words of Arabic language. You also have learnt almost 200 types of language structure. I am sure now you can make simple nominal and verbal sentences very easily. For achieving the best results, you have to keep on revising the previous lessons again and again. And you have to listen to them very carefully and try to mimic and copy the teacher and follow him. Dear students, today you will learn 10 more imperfect verbs in Arabic. That is fi'l mudari'. Fi'l mudari'. It is used to make sentences of simple present tense. Fi'l mudari' is used to make sentences of simple present tense. Before that, let's revise some imperfect verbs that you have already learned in the previous lecture. So please follow me and try to utter the sentence and try to speak the sentence with me to improve your pronunciation as well as language. يذهب حامد إلى المدرسة. يذهب حامد إلى المدرسة. يذهب حامد إلى المدرسة. Hamid goes to the school. تذهب حميدة إلى الكلية. تذهب حميدة إلى الكلية. تذهب حميدة إلى الكلية. Hamida goes to the college. يحفظ أمن الدرس. يحفظ أمن الدرس. يحفظ أمن الدرس. أمن learns the lesson. يكتب يوسف رسالة. يكتب يوسف رسالة. يكتب يوسف رسالة. Yusuf writes a letter. تفهم ماريا اللغة العربية. تفهم ماريا اللغة العربية. تفهم ماريا اللغة العربية. Maria understands Arabic language. تدخل الطالبة المكتبة. تدخل الطالبة المكتبة. تدخل الطالبة المكتبة. The girl student enters the library. يخرج منوج كمار من المنزل. 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 Manoj Kumar goes out of the house. يرجع المعلم إلى الفصل. يرجع المعلم إلى الفصل. يرجع المعلم إلى الفصل. The teacher returns to the classroom. تفتح فاطمة كتابها. تفتح فاطمة كتابها. تفتح فاطمة كتابها. Fatima opens her book. These are sentences which you already learned in the previous lecture. So dear students, let's learn some more imperfect tense verbs with their meanings. From zahika yadhaku, it will be tadhak. Tadhak. Please pronounce tadhak. Tadhak. That means you, one man, laugh. Here I say one man. And you are already aware that in Arabic, like Sanskrit, there is a conjugation. There are different verbs. Form of verbs changes according to the number of person. According to the number of person. If there is one man, there will be another word. If there are two men, there will be another word. And if there are more than two men, there will be another word. But in English, we have only you. The word you, pronoun is you. But in Arabic, we have three different types of words. For one man, for two men, and for more than two men. So here we translate to understand as tadhak, you, one man, laugh. Second person. Tash'ur. Say tash'ur. Sheen and a. Tash'ur. Tash'ur. You, one man, feel. You, one man, feel. Tasbah. 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 You, one man, swim. That is actually you swim. But we use one man in bracket to make it clear that is for second person singular number and masculine also. Tajlis. 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 You, one man, sit. Ta'mal. 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 You, one man, walk. The five words you have learnt right now are for second person masculine. Now let's learn five more words for second person feminine. And all these 10 words are for singular number, not for dual and not for plural. So tafrahin. Tafrahin. You, one woman, become happy. You, one woman, become happy. Taghsilin. 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 You, one woman, wash. You, one woman, wash. Taqta'in. Taqta'in. The perfect verb of taqta'in will be qata'ti. Perfect verb will be qata'ti. And from qata'ti, imperfect verb became taqta'in. Taqta'in. And same, taghsilin is imperfect of what? Ghasalti. Perfect verb was ghasalti. And imperfect will be taghsilin. Taghsilin. Taqta'in means you, one woman, cut. Qata, qata. Qat and cut. There is sound, you know. Qaf ta'ain, qata. And CUT, cut. And same in Urdu, you say, Hindi. What? Katna. So, there is, very similarity in sound in all three languages. Qat, cut, katna. And the another word is تساعدين. From ساعدتي, ساعدتي, تساعدين, تساعدين. One woman, you one woman, help. And from دخلتي, there will be تدخلين. From دخلتي, تدخلين, تدخلين. You one woman, enter. And I will use two more words which are not verbs but they are noun, and in translation you may need them. That is al-alam, al-alam, that means pain, dard. And the another word is al-masbah, min as-sibaha, masbah, swimming pool. So dear learners, now you have learnt 10 imperfect verbs for the second person, singular number, masculine and feminine both. 10 words for second person, singular number, masculine and feminine both. And if you look at these words, you will find that for masculine the prefix is ta, and for feminine the prefix is ta and suffix is ina, in. So for masculine only ta prefix, and for feminine second person one prefix is ta and one suffix, that is ina. So repeat these words with me and try to follow me for proper pronunciation. Tadhak, tadhakin. From zahikta or zahikte, zahikta and zahikte, there will be tazhak, tazhakin. Zahikta, tazhak, and zahikti, tazhakin, tadhakin. And from sha'urta, tash'ur, sha'urta, tash'ur, and sha'urti, tash'urin, sha'urti, tash'urin. So tash'ur, tash'urin, tash'ur, tash'urin. And another word is tasbah, tasbahin, tasbah, tasbahin, tasbah, tasbahin. And from jalasa, tajlis, tajlisin, tajlis, tajlisin, tajlis, tajlisin. And another word is ta'amal, ta'amalin, ta'amal, ta'amalin, ta'amal, ta'amalin, ta'amal, ta'amalin. I repeat all these words 3 times, 4 times to make you understand and to make you remember, memorize these words to use in future in your sentences and to understand the pronunciation of these words. So another word is tafrah, tafrahin, tafrah, tafrahin, tafrah, tafrahin, tafrah, tafrahin. Another word is taghsil, taghsilin, taghsil, taghsilin, taghsil, taghsilin, taghsil, taghsilin. There is ghain, ghain, sound of ghain, not ga, taghsilin, no, ghain, taghsilin. Another word is taqta', taqta', taqta'in, taqta', taqta'in, taqta', taqta'in, taqta', taqta'in. And the next is tusa'id, tusa'idin, tusa'id, tusa'idin, tusa'id, tusa'idin. And the next tadkhul, tadkhulin, tadkhul, tadkhulin, tadkhul, tadkhulin. Dear learners, after memorizing these words, and understanding their meanings, let's use them in our simple Arabic sentences. Tadhak. And tadhak is complete sentence also. Tadhak, you one man laugh. Another sentence is tash'ur bil alam. Tash'ur bil alam. Tash'ur bil alam. You one man feel pain. Alam is pain. And there is another word perhaps you have learnt already. Alam, bil ayn, alam. So alam is flag. Alamul Hind, flag of India. And here alam, bil hamza. Alam is pain, taklif, dard. So tash'ur bil alam. You one man feel pain. The next sentence is tasbah. Tasbah, you swim. Tasbah fin nahar. Tasbah fin nahar. Tasbah fin nahar. Tasbah fin nahar. You one man swim in the river. You one man swim in the river. The next word is تعمل في المصرف. تعمل في المصرف. تعمل في المصرف. You one man work at the bank. The another word is تجلس. تجلس على الكرسي. تجلس على الكرسي. تجلس على الكرسي. تجلس على الكرسي. You one man sit on the chair. Now another 5 words are for second person singular number feminine. The previous 5 words were for masculine and these words are for feminine. So look at these words and try to follow me in pronunciation. تأكلين وتفرحين. تأكلين وتفرحين. See, there is prefix ta and suffix in. تأكلين وتفرحين. تأكلين وتفرحين. You one woman eat and feel happy. The another word is تقطعين الخضروات. تقطعين الخضروات. تقطعين الخضروات. تقطعين الخضروات. You one woman cut vegetables. Another word is تدخلين الفصل. تدخلين الفصل. تدخلين الفصل. You one woman enter the classroom. تدخلين الفصل. You one woman enter the classroom. Another word is تغسلين. تغسلين وجهك. تغسلين وجهك. تغسلين وجهك. You one woman wash your face and you can say تغسلين يدك. تغسلين ثيابك. Another word is تساعدين. تساعدين الفقراء. فقراء is plural of فقير. فقير is poor, poor man. تساعدين الفقراء. تساعدين الفقراء. تساعدين الفقراء. You one woman help the poor people. Friends, now we have used all these 10 words in our sentences. Then let's start making some new different sentences on the same pattern. So earlier we learned tadhak. Another sentence will be tadhakin. Tadhak, one man laugh, you one man laugh. Tadhakin, you one women laugh. Tadhakin. Tadhakin. And the another sentence you have learnt تشعر بالألم. تشعر بالألم. تشعر بالألم. It means you one man feel pain. Now let's change this to this imperfect verb into feminine. From تشعر will be تشعرين. تشعرين. So sentence will be تشعرين بالفرح. تشعرين بالفرح. Young women feel happy. تشعرين بالألم. Young women feel pain. The next sentence تسبح في النهر. تسبح في النهر. You a man swim in the river. And change this تسبح into تسبحين and make a sentence on the same pattern. So will be تسبحين في المسبح. Masbah means swimming pool from Sibaha. Masbah is the place where we swim, in place of swimming. Masbah. So تسبحين في المسبح. تسبحين في المسبح. You one women swim in the swimming pool. The another sentence is تعمل في المصرف. تعمل في المصرف. So change this تعمل into تعملين and use it in the sentence. تعملين في المطار. تعملين في المطار. تعمل في المصرف. تعملين في المطار. Matar is airport. So you one women work at the airport. Another sentence is تجلس على الكرسي. تجلس على الكرسي. You one woman sit on the chair and change this تجلس into تجلسين. The sentence will be you تجلسين على السرير. تجلسين على السرير. تجلسين على الكرسي. تجلسين على الأرضية. تجلسين على السرير. That means you one woman sit on the bed. A sarir is bed. So another word is تأكلين وتفرحين. Just you learnt before this section تأكلين وتفرحين. So now we have to change this تأكلين into تأكل and تفرحين into تفرح. Then it will be تأكل وتفرح. From تأكلين تأكل and from تفرحين تفرح. تفرح means you one man feel happy and تأكل means you one man feel you one man eat. تأكل you one man eat and تفرح you one man feel happy. And there is word تقطعين. So you have already learned تقطعين الخضروات. تقطعين الخضروات. You one woman cut the vegetables. Now change this تقطعين into تقطع for masculine. It will be تقطع الورق. تقطع الورق. تقطع الورق. That means you one man cut the paper. الورق is paper. So another sentence you have learnt, that is تدخلين الفصل. تدخلين الفصل. That means you one woman enter the classroom. Now change this تدخلين into second person masculine. It will be تدخل. From تدخلين it will be تدخل. Now make the sentence. تدخل الدكان. تدخل الدكان. You one man enter the shop. تدخل الدكان. Now let's take another word, that is تغسلين. So we just learnt تغسلين وجهك Now change this taghsilin into second person masculine. It will be taghsil. From taghsilin it will be taghsil. So make a sentence out of taghsil. Taghsil yadak. Taghsil yadak. Taghsil wajhak. Taghsil siyabak. So another word is tusa'idin al-fuqara. Tusa'idin al-fuqara. You want women help the poor people. Now change this tusa'idin into second person masculine. So tusa'idin will be tusa'id. 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 Now make the sentence. تساعد الطلاب الفقراء. تساعد الطلاب الفقراء. الطلاب الفقراء is compound phrase. That is adjective phrase. الطلاب الفقراء means the poor students. So translation will be, you one man help the poor students. تساعد الطلاب الفقراء. Now dear learners, let's translate some simple sentences of the present tense from English into Arabic. From English into Arabic to check how much we have learnt and how much we got command on the words we have learnt recently. You one man sit on the chair. You one man sit on the chair. Tajlis ala al-kursi. Tajlis. Tajlis is for masculine, second person, singular number. So tajlis ala al-kursi. Yes, let's try another sentence. You one woman eat and feel happy. You one woman eat and feel happy. Please try and recall those words you have learnt recently just in this class. From akala yakulu, ta'kulin. Yes, right? Ta'kulin wa tafrahin. It will be ta'kulin wa tafrahin. Okay, let's try another sentence. You one man work at the library. So the Arabic of the library you know already. Al-Maktaba is the library. Just try. Yes, ta'amal fil maktaba. You one man work. You one man work. Ta'amal. At the library, fil maktaba. It's very easy. Ta'amal fil maktaba. Yes, let's take another sentence. You one man. Always try to catch whether there is one man or one woman, because according to the gender the word changes. So you one man swim in the river. Swim in the river. Tasbah fil nahar. Tasbah fil nahar. Tasbah fil nahar. Okay, let's try next. You one woman write a letter. You one woman write a letter. Please make the sentence. Taktubin risala. Taktubin risala. Okay, let's try another sentence. You one woman go out of the house. You one woman go out of the house. Okay, try. For house there is a word al-manzil. Yes. Takhrujin min al-manzil. Takhrujin min al-manzil. تخرجين من المنزل. Okay, let's take another sentence of English. You one man help the poor students. You one man help the poor students. تساعد الطلاب الفقراء. تساعد you one man help تساعد الطلاب الفقراء, the poor students. Good, very good. Okay, let's try another sentence. You one woman enter the shop. You one woman enter the shop. Okay, translate into Arabic. It's very easy. Try. Yes. تدخلين you one woman enter تدخلين الدكان. تدخلين الدكان. Yes. Another one. You one man open the door. You one man open the door. Yes. تفتح الباب. You one man open تفتح the door الباب. تفتح الباب. Okay, the last one. Let's try. You one man wash your hand. Your hand. You one man wash your hand. تغسل يدك. تغسل يدك. Yes, congrats, you have learned 10 new imperfect verbs and their usage in this lesson for the second person singular number of masculine and feminine both. And we have also learned the usage of these verbs in different sentences. In the next class, you will learn imperfect verbs for the first person in detail. You have already learned for the second person, third person, singular number, masculine and feminine both, and today you have learned the second person, singular number for masculine and feminine both, and in the next class we will discuss the first person imperfect verbs for the first person in details. So dear learners, please keep on revising the previous lessons to improve your Arabic language and your Arabic pronunciation. See you again in the next class. Bye bye. Maas salama.